$100,000 really buy you in Ghana's real estate market? Is it enough for a studio in a prime location such as Cantonments? Or should you consider going for a off-plan property that's going to give you a little bit more value? In this video, we're going to break it all down, including the best investment choices, the rental yields, and how to avoid costly mistakes as well. By the end of today's video, you're going to know exactly whether $100,000 is enough and the smartest way to invest. Plus, as an extra bonus, I'm going to share how you can access my property investment toolkit, which is going to help you to actually make those smart decisions. So make sure you stay to the end. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Lorraine here. If you're new to this channel, welcome. On this channel, I speak about all things Ghana real estate. You'll find things like property tours, my personal experience that I share about how I invested in Ghana's real estate market. You'll also see some tricks and tips about Ghana's real estate market and some of my sit-down interviews with real estate experts. Now, if this sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so far already. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. And if you find today's session valuable, then make sure you give the video a thumbs up so it can go out to more people in the community that need to hear this. And also share it with them. Send them the link, share the link, share the link. And guys, put in the comment section, if you had $100,000, would you buy a studio apartment or would you buy something off plan? What would you use your $100,000 to do? Drop your answers in the comments below. Guys, so let's get into it. So what can $100,000 actually buy you in Ghana's property market? Now, it depends on three main factors: location, property type, and whether you're buying completed or off-plan properties. Let's have a quick look at the studios and one-bedroom apartments that you can get in prime locations. Now, here's what you can get. In areas like Cantonments, Laborni, and Airport Residential, $100,000 is perfect for a studio or a small one-bedroom apartment in a modern development. Now, these locations offer security, modern amenities, and proximity to business hubs. So why this is a smart choice? These areas already attract expats, business travelers, and professionals, ensuring that there's steady demand for rentals. So what does the rental income actually look like? With studio apartments during the off-peak season, you're looking at somewhere between $50 to $80 per night or $600 to $900 per month. When it's the peak season, you're looking at $80 to $120 per night or $800 to $1,200 per month. When it's a one-bedroom apartment during the peak season, you're looking at $100 to $150 per night or $1,000 to $1,500 per month. Now, when it's the off-peak season, you're looking at $70 to $100 per night or $800 to $1,200 per month. Now, these are conservative estimates. You can get a lot more than this, and it also depends on how well you furnished your property. Now, when it comes to rental yields, studios and one-bedroom apartments can yield an impressive 8 to 14% annually, especially if targeted towards the Airbnb or corporate rental market. So with off-plan investments, these are high risk, but they're also high reward. So what this means, an off-plan purchase allows you to secure a property before it's even completed, often at a huge discount. Now, for $100,000, you could lock in a one-bedroom apartment or even a larger unit in some projects. So here's the advantages. Properties often appreciate in value by the time they're completed. There's also lower upfront costs compared to completed units. But there's some downsides. Developers sometimes might delay the project. There also might be changes in specifications that deviate from what was originally promised. Here's how to protect yourself. Always use an escrow account so that funds are only released to the developer once milestones are met. Also, verify the developer's track record by visiting completed projects and speaking with past buyers. Also, insist on a detailed contract outlining timelines, refund clauses, and building specifications. Here's what $100,000 could get you in areas that are outside of prime location. So in areas like Oyarifa, Pokwase, and East Legon Hills, $100,000 can buy you a larger one-bedroom apartment or even a two-bedroom house. Now, these areas are developing rapidly with infrastructure improvements driving up property values. So what does the rental demand look like? While rental demand here isn't actually as high as the prime locations, these properties appeal to longer-term tenants like families and local professionals. There's some advantages and disadvantages. So here's the advantages. There's more space for your money. Also, there's potential for significant property appreciation as the area develops. But here's the downsides. There's slightly lower rental yields than prime locations, and also limited demand for short-term rentals compared to Central Accra. So here's why studios and one-bedroom apartments offer the best return on investment. Now, apartments, particularly studios and one-bedroom units, are hot commodities in Ghana's real estate market. Here's why they stand out as the best investment choice. So for expats and corporate demand, professionals and expats are always seeking convenience, modern amenities and proximity to work hubs, making studios and one-bedroom apartments their top picks. For short-term rentals, tourists and business travelers are often preferring the smaller, centrally located apartments, which are easier to rent out on platforms like Airbnb. And there's also lower maintenance costs. Studios and one-bedroom apartments are less costly to maintain compared to larger homes, yet deliver higher return per square foot. Now, I want to know, is this video helpful so far? Please do hit that like button if you're learning something new, and share this video with somebody considering real estate investment in Ghana. Let's spread the knowledge. Now, here's some key considerations to think about before investing. Now, whether you're going for a studio or one-bedroom apartment or a property in the outskirts, these key considerations will help you to protect your investment and maximize your returns. Number 1, research the developer. If you're buying off-plan, dig into their portfolio, their reputation, and their track record. Number 2, use an escrow account. Avoid paying the full amount upfront. An escrow account ensures your funds are safe until the project meets key milestones. Number 3, understand total costs. Consider extra costs like service charges, furnishings, and maintenance. Number 4, clarify your rental strategy. Decide if your focus is on long-term tenants or short-term renters, as this will influence your choice of location and property type. Number 5, legal due diligence. Make sure you work with a trusted property lawyer to verify the land titles. They can also ensure that the property is free from disputes and also can confirm that the property has all the relevant permits in place. So, is $100,000 enough? $100,000 can absolutely get you started in Ghana's real estate market. Whether it's a studio apartment in Cantonments, or it's a one-bedroom off-plan deal, or it's a slightly larger property in the East Legon Hills area, your investment has the potential to deliver strong returns if you make informed decisions. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video valuable, then please do give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done so far already, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos, and also let me know in the comments what you found most valuable today. If you're looking for more information and more insights about Ghana's real estate market, I highly recommend that you check out this video next, and I will catch you over there. Bye.